So how can you detect where is malware? So this is Unwear Task Manager. It is free software. It can allow you to see all your services, all your scheduled tasks, all your auto start. So all the items which are booting with your system, and you can sort by the risk, and you can sort by the day of when this item dropped into your startup. So what this means? This means that if now you will reboot your computer, that malware will be gone. But if it will persist in your system as service, startup, or delayed startup, or scheduled task, it will be able to run itself. So malware is always trying to persist. It doesn't want to lose guy because he rebooted, right? He want to it wants to be rerun after reboot, like all your services, right? Because you are not going to click malware again. You just clicked it, you forgot it. There are some malware which pretend to be like Google Chrome, and people do not put it in persistence because people are all opening that fake Google Chrome, which is like real Google Chrome, which has the malware inside. So for guys, they don't need to put it in persistence. They know the guy will be opening it daily, right? This is like one of options. But another option, which is like 90%, that it will try to put itself into the scheduled task, whatever. And you just go here and you can see that, okay, this is like strange name. It just popped up yesterday. My computer started to lag. Somebody looks like accessing my account. And I remember that yesterday I downloaded that strange file from torrent. So what can I do except removing the operating system? You can go here, you can clean. So basically, you can clean the startup fully. There are no services which will not boot the Windows. If you will clean everything except like, maybe drivers and Windows, it will boot. Even if you would just go and try to remove everything, it will still boot. So you will not destroy your system. Maybe if you have like some specific like Asus software, don't remove it. But even if it says like Intel driver dropped up yesterday, I don't believe, right? It should be like 5 months ago when I bought like laptop, for example. So you should understand that stuff was not here for 5 months. Why it dropped yesterday? And I feel like something is wrong with my computer. Start lag, some strange processor is going on. And you should understand that your computer can be used for mining, for example. So when you go to take coffee and you come back and your computer like looked like it was, working all this time badly, but you did nothing. Maybe somebody is mining on your computer using your processor or video card. And you should even understand that you don't even need to download stuff. So people will be mining on your computer. I will tell you, people can mine on your computer using a website. So if you access the website where you are watching movies, sometimes you can feel that that movie is taking too much of your RAM, too much of your CPU, and too much of everything. But that movie is even bad quality. But in reality, you watch movie and in the background, guys are mining Bitcoins using your JavaScript because JavaScript can also guess the blocks for the pool. So even sitting in the internet, you can, get into the website which will be mining your Bitcoins. It will not affect your electricity bill a lot, but they will earn some money from you. So online JavaScript miner, this one. No, Monero web miner. So basically how it works. That's it. It's mining already. So yeah, this is my progress. Not bad. So potentially you just need to deploy this on some paste paste in my Monero address. Okay, this one, uh, this one. Okay, this one and this one. So this one is mining, and this one I can check how much we mine. So I'm mining for that guy now. So that guy is earning money right now from me. Yeah, not me. I'm not earning because it's mining for him. This one will mine on my computer. So if you remember, I was able to run scripts on the guy. So I will just save this as script, and I will just put this, and guy will be mining from his computer, not from anywhere else. So how much did we earn to that guy? We mining progress. So I'm not sure. Maybe we mine something for him. We just need to wait, or to put it like for like few hours. But the idea, you got the idea. So people can mine on your computer and on your browser.